Hello all. Application number 3 is a thing called Web Tables by Google. Why I selected this particular app is I do a lot of statistics. I teach AP Stats and a regular statistics course. And giving students access to data that they can work with and is real live data is pretty appealing to me. So my goal in looking at this was providing a better way to access data, and through this search area I can become very specific on what I look for. So for example, I can look at high school graduation rates, and by doing a search in this, it'll come up with targeted data that gives me all kinds of things that are very useful. High school graduation rates by state. I can also export the data to Google Sheets and open that data to manipulate it and graph. Also, if I go back, I can look at this data in tables. And so if I export this to Fusion Tables, it'll give me some interactive graphs and data to look at. It's being a little bit slow right now, but this really does work, and it works pretty well, especially if you're somebody who's looking for data. So this is a super app. I'm looking forward to using this with my students. A couple of things that this hits as far as the standards are: use data resources for research in ISTE 4B and ISTE 5B. Use technology resource to maximize deep learning, and I can see this as an opportunity to maximize deep learning for students. So there we go.